Okay, my name is Jennifer Namakula Bulega. It's going to be my 5th baby. I've been giving birth from here, C-Care. Every time I come to IHK, I feel confident. I don't have any doubt. Actually, I did not think today was the day of the SIDA. I knew that I had to come and check in. So I was really happy that I'm completing the journey of pregnancy, antenatal. So it feels good. I've been enjoying online antenatal classes. We have a WhatsApp group for all pregnant mothers. So every Saturday they schedule. They have really guided us. No, actually, when you have questions, they are always responding. We have very good midwives. Very good that you ask any question and they are helpful. The doctors are really very good because I normally see Dr. Alex. I started my antenatal immediately when I got to know I'm pregnant. Following all the guidelines that have been given to me, I've never been sick up to now.
Well, you're most welcome. Everything will be fine. Eh? Yes, you're in the right place. Shortly after here, we shall take you in your room. Kali, thank you for coming. C-Care. Thank you.
I want to tell my baby that please behave well because time has come. You have to come out and enjoy the world. I love you so much. And you came as a gift to me. So I know that we are going to meet and you are a blessed child.
It takes a village to dream so high. Under one sun, under one sky. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. It takes a village.
What? This is a big house. What? Oh my goodness. Mama, I'm so happy. I'm going to give birth from here. Oh, God, you're so good. God is so good. The VIP looks so lovely.
Yes, and of course the balcony you asked for.
Kitchen. No, I need to go and see. Oh my, I'm going to be as if I'm going to be in heaven and at home. Why were they carrying all of the things I brought, really? Banange. Oh, no mwana wa mukisa. Hey, banange. You know, IHK nkubye essanyu simanyi kumanya next time nkomawo na balongo. I'm bringing twins. Bamteekako ekyamujanjabi eddiro ina wotuula. Ono ye mwami bannange. This is my husband. I feel so good. I feel as if I'm home. I feel as if I didn't expect this, seriously. When I moved in rooms, I've never moved in this one. You don't feel like going home? The 3 days are really short. You should extend for me. Extend for me the days also. Mama, Musao, I am begging you, extend for me. Instead of 3.
They call it a home away from home. Huh?
Yes.
Home away from
home. God is so good. I'm so proud of IHK. Wow. Mama, even it is spacious. Wow. Wow. Ngenda kuona mango. Seriously, the baby is so lucky and blessed. Everything is really very good.
Under one sun, under one sky. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. It takes a village.